Hey, where are you going? Also, you look a bit different. You look like an oddish, but BFDI edition. Don't call me an oddish, even though you didn't really do that. Go on. Well, I was going to my magnifying glasses dance party. Stings for you because it's time for elimination time. Processing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding! What the heck does that? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! I see you guys all get remastered. Me too. And it looks like Foggy got the most likes. Yay! Anyways, play button Foggy and magnifying glass. You guys got 0 votes. Yeah! Garlic, you get every episode you get more useless for the challenge. And Kyle, your psychopathy of killing people has had enough. Now, who's safe is? Garlic, with 1 vote, you're safe. Kyle, you're eliminated with 2 votes. What? I didn't mean to kill. It's just my ego. Well, just suck me up. Oh no, we have something much worse. Loading. Penalty. Complete. Wall process. I don't deserve this. What the heck? What is that? Later. Okay, the challenge is to get on hot air balloons. You guys will try to pop the other team's all of the air balloons. Now shut up and get in the air balloons. Wait, what about us? Like me, Foggy, me, Moon, and Sun. Yeah, exactly. We can fly. Too bad, so sad, because you guys are disqualified. Oh, come on. Okay, you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Grrr. Spike ball. Help me try to get at magnifying glass. Okay. Ha! Whoa! Huh? No! Huh? Ah! Later. Boop. Time's up. Team Reflection has all of their teammates as 4 contestants. Team Choppers only has 3 of them, which are Vitamin, Icicle, and Spike Ball, which means Team Choppers are out for elimination. Vote for one of these characters out of the show.